Alright, so let's check this out. Next car we trying to bid it on is a 2011 Ford Fusion 3.0. As you can see, it's coming up. This car is alright, so we've been outbid. $2,100 right now. 22, 23, 24, 25 right now. 25.50. Bid, no bid. $26. $27. $28. All right, let's let it go. It's 28, 29 now. 29.50. 3,000. All right, so it went up all the way to 32. 32.50. 3,300. 3,400. Alright, so there's no way we're bidding on that car no more, but let's see how high it goes. 36. 37. 'So I checked the history on this car. It only has one owner. Not mistaken, this was owned by the government. That's what it said, government. When you check the history. Alright, so it was sold for $3,800. Not bad for a 2011 Ford Fusion with 87,000 miles only. But yeah, no, I didn't go for it. Now they got a 2001 Honda Accord. Oh, sold. I didn't see how much that was sold for. This other 2011 Chevrolet. It has 147,000 miles. Clean title. 4 cylinders. Sold for $2,600. Okay. On to the next one. 2006 Toyota Prius. 229,000 miles. Sold for $275. That's the other thing that this company has to do. When it's too low, they like to counterbid it. They want the highest amount that they can get out of the cars, any cars, all the cars. So yeah, that 275 won't be the final. Sometimes they do, but sometimes they don't. On most occasions they won't. They'll go higher on the winning bid. They'll try to counterbid you. That's up to you if you want to accept it or reject it. Alright, so this one is sold for $825. As you can can see right there. When it says sold will be on approval or something. That was too fast. I wasn't able to see it. We have a 95 Toyota Camry sold for $425. Sold on approval. That's when they had to approve it first. So now we have a 95 Honda Accord. Sold. Alright, so this other car we're gonna be looking at, let's see. Where is it? It's right here. 2008 Toyota Camry. About 10 minutes. Alright, so this is a nice little car, Acura. 144,000 miles. See the images there. Why didn't I look at this one? There's a little damage right here. And right here. As you can see right here, primary damage is front end. 2.4, 4-cylinder. It's faded here. Seat right here. Just nothing big. All that could be fixed. Oh, it's sold. And just see how much it was sold for. Alright, now we got an Acura 2005. It has a little dent right here. So it has the rear end. I believe it's gonna be this one. Oh, sold. Let me see for how much. Okay, we have 99. Sold on approval. Was that sold for 900? I think so. Now it's 2015 Toyota Corolla. You can see the miles right here. Sometimes you have to look at the history, because some people, they like to roll over the miles, but once you look up the history, it shows everything. Even if you're shopping out in the local, you want to make sure you know the history of that car. There's a lot of people just roll over the miles, and they're not original miles. They say it is, but it's not. You see, this one is going for 37. Manny, what's wrong? You okay? Come on. Look, you wanna watch this? Come on. Okay. Come on. This one's going for, let's see, 2005 Lexus, 133,000 miles, 6-cylinder. Let's see how high this goes. See this little dent right here. It sold for how much? 32. So the final bid is this amount right here. Now we have it's down 7 Lexus. Check out the images. Wow, this one's nice. But it's already too high. Well, not too high, it's 36. Alright, let's see how much it goes for. 3,800. $3,850. Horizon drives. 39. They normally have some music going on, but to make you more excited and want to bid on it, I guess. So sold on approval. So they have to approve that price first. New bidder. And it says that sold on approval. So do I have to approve it first? New bidder. Alright, so to the Highlander. This is a hot lot. See how high that goes. Alright, so I'll be back in 3 minutes when the car's up. New bidder. Alright, so we're back at it again. As you see, it's gonna be the second cart. That's second to next. Right now we have 6 Audi. As you see, this car was donated. Right here, donated. And it has 125,000 miles. It's a pretty good price. 1,300. Oh, someone just decided to bid on it. Sold on approval. So they have to approve that price. Your first. Watch item is next on the block. So the car is next. Which I'm sure it's gonna go high. Because a lot of cars are going higher than usual. New bidder. Yeah. Alright, let's see how high it goes. The max we might go is just 24. Clean title. Mom. Sold on remind you that it's clean title. Mom, so, new bidder. It's already at 21. So she's already going higher. 23, 24, 25. Oh, we might stay out of this one too. This is a hot lot. Yeah, it's already higher. Did you see how high it goes? 29, 3,000. Yeah. As I mentioned, you wouldn't be able to get that for less than 25, but bonus time. Oh, it's actually $3 grand. It's not bad. Bid, no bid.
I get some hot chocolate. I'm a hot chocolate.
Sold on approval.
But I just want hot chocolate.
So it sold for 3,000, which is not bad.
Mommy.
Alright, so yeah. We didn't get any of the cars we wanted today, but sold on approval. We'll keep them. We'll keep searching. Alright. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. New bidder. I'll catch you in the next one.